Okay, so the error 21 will come. Okay, now what you do is, I am transmitting on higher than the ITU bands. Now, what the ITU bands are from VHF 156 to 174 megahertz. Okay, for MF it is 1605 to 4000 kilohertz.
Yes.
Okay, and HF is 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 22, 25. Those are 25 megahertz band. Okay, so now if I am transmitting say on above the band, okay, so I am taking say 29,000, okay, enter 29,000 kilohertz, okay, that is 29 megahertz, okay, and I am pressing this. What did it tell me? Illegal frequency. Okay, that means it is a illegal transmitter frequency. I cannot use that one. Okay, but I can use a low frequency and then it will accept. Supposing now say what is that? Say 25 sorry TX 25080. Okay, so it will not show me. These other errors are coming up and down. Okay, don't worry about those. Okay, errors. So now we clear that. Then now if I am transmitting in the wrong mode, okay, now what is this? This is 2182. It is supposed to be H3, okay, or J3. Now if I go here, okay, we will take a 2174 decimal 5 enter. See, now what is this here? It is showing H3. Okay, but what is this frequency now? 2174.5.
NBD.
It's a telex frequency.
Yes.
So if I want the telex, then it won't show me. Okay, this is okay now. This is a telex frequency. Now I actually put on 2174.5. Now what is this frequency? 2176.2.
2176.2.
What is this frequency? See, in NBDP and F1B you have, okay, so here it is your, the frequency carrier is here, okay, it is shown down matter, okay, and then after that here is the, what is this frequency called? What is this frequency?
Assigned frequency.
So long you are taking. Okay, this is assigned frequency. So this is 2174.5. Okay, the moment I go to telex, it will go to the assigned frequency 2176.2 kilohertz, 1.7 above the. Okay, so this is the assigned frequency. Okay, this is now J3. Okay, this is CW continuous wave A1A transmission emission. This is H3. Okay, H3 will showing me wrong mode. But the moment I go to telex, see, and I am pressing, it is showing correct. It is showing what it is showing, the assigned frequency. Okay, if I go correctly now, this is J3. Again, this should have shown actually error. Okay, CWB, and then after that, this is the wrong mode. So error 12 is what? The wrong mode. Okay, now supposing I am transmitting 2182.0 enter. Sorry, transmitter 2182.0, but I don't press the enter key. It will show me error of 15. So the examiners, they can ask you some few errors to explain. There are plenty of errors, but these few errors he can ask you to what is this, and show the errors. Okay, show the errors on the equipment. Okay, error 21 I showed you there. Okay, and error 20, link between RX and TX broken. If it is antenna fault, it will show error 20. Okay, so these are the few errors which are PTT switch. Okay, now here, so these errors are covered up. Okay, now this is I'll press enter key. Okay, now there is a AGC. What is the AGC used for? You did a receiver, basic receiver. Huh?
Basic transmitter.
So did not show you basic receiver. Gain control. Okay, so that is used for to control the fading. Okay, to control fading, AGC is used. Basic receiver you did not teach. Sir, Sitaravan? In what is that? Orals. So that means this is dummy load is used when you're testing the transmitter. So you do not want any signals to go out. Okay, if your vessel is in port, you use what is called dummy load or a artificial antenna. So I will just press here TX and dummy load. You will get this frequency already programmed 2206.4, and you'll see that light indicator there showing that it is a dummy load. Okay, understood?
Yes.
So I will go back now. Okay, so this set is programmed to have an internal dummy load. Okay, on your main transmitters and all with having high power of 1000 watts and all, you have the dummy load outside. Okay, what does the dummy load consist of? What does it contain? Into ground. Okay, these are high voltage resistors. 100 watt resistors are there. Okay, and current is divided. Current goes one current goes here, one current goes here, one current goes here. If they have single resistor will burn out. Okay, there will be it will burn out because so the current is divided. Okay, and so it is shared like this. Okay, so this is called the dummy load. Okay, now the transmitter power. What is the highest power on MF? Maximum power output on MF?
400.
400 watts. Very good.
Yes.
So now this shows the highest power. The last indication is the maximum power. So TX and power, then it comes down to half. Then after that quarter, then 1/8 and 1/16. So this end of this part is 1/16. Okay. So once again, here press TX and power. Okay. This is 1/8, quarter, half, and full. So this is the maximum power. Okay. So if it tells you, okay, now how much the power is, this is half of 400. Okay, or 200.
200.
If you want, this is quarter.
Quarter
Quarter means
100.
100. Okay. Then after that, 1/8. Okay, that is 50. And then after that, 25.
25.
Okay. So you need not say. You can just say a half of 400, quarter of 400. Okay. Don't try to calculate. Okay. So you keep on doing like that, and if it stops, then you have to press TX and that. Okay, understood? Okay, what is the squelch control switch you use for? This is squelch. Okay, when you see the indicator there, squelch. What is squelch used for?
To remove
the disturbance.
To the background noise of the receiver to
Yes.
cut out. But you can here this is single switch only. But in your walkie-talkies, your Aero VHF, it is varying control.
Yes.
Okay, here it is either on or it is off. Okay, so squelch control is to reduce the background noise of the receiver. Okay,
Yes.
got it? So EGC is for controlling fading, power switch is there, mode switch is there. Okay, so all these are in the RE 2100. Okay, now there is a tune and clarifier. Tune means what? Fast tuning. Okay, if you see your radio, you will have on okay, आप लोग के ज़माने में radio कोई देखते नहीं, but there used to be the tune control. Which you have the tune control, it is faster tuning. But there is another small control which is called fine tuning. That is called your clarifier.
Okay.
Okay, so your RX, and then if you tune, and then go up and down key. Now say now this is a clarifier. Sorry, this is a fast now. Fast tuning. Okay, R and say clarifier. You see what happens? Hundredth of a decimal is being changed.
Yes.
Okay, so what clarifier means plus RX, tune, and sorry RX, and then after that see fast tuning takes place.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a so if you want a fast tuning, use your RX and clarifier. So clarifier means what? Slight changes takes place in the thing. Okay, so he'll tell you, okay, write down what is clarifier. Okay, so you have to write down what is squelch, what is EGC, all these things. Now earlier we used to have one what is called a watch keeping receiver, 2182 kilohertz watch keeping receiver. Okay, so that is the watch keeping receiver. Now this was so it was so done. You see here on your screen. Okay, on your what is that software? Okay, you'll have like this. Okay, okay, from 0 to 3 and 30 to 33. Okay, this is marked in blue color.
Yes.
Okay, this is marked in blue color. Okay, both are marked in blue color. There was also a marking here which was made in red. Okay, this was marked in red. Okay, so this is from 15 to 18, 45 to 48. Okay, so now this is was watch silence period. Okay, silence period for WT. Okay, for wireless telegraphy, and this is the silence period for RT. Okay, so all ships used to keep quiet on this frequency. Okay, that was आप लोग खाली रिकॉर्डिंग करके स्टोर करते हैं, रिवाइंड करते हैं क्या नहीं,
Store and forward.
स्टोर खाली स्टोर करते हैं बस, खाली एग्जामिनेशन का टाइम उठ के यू विल बी एबल टू स्टडी एवरीथिंग इन वन डे ना, नहीं ऐसा एनसीबी में करते हैं हम लोग. ओके, सो फॉर द टेस्ट अलार्म, whenever this you're testing the alarm, okay, when you're testing the alarm, this is how you do on 2182. Okay, earlier we had also for 500, but this is for 2182. Whenever this alarm will come, this normally it is muted. Okay, and during the silence period it will unmute. Okay, that means what? Unmute means what? The speaker will come switch on. Okay, so now if you want to test the alarm, what you have to do? Press this together. क्या आवाज आता है? It is a two-tone signal is there. I don't know exactly, I forgot the frequency, but this is a two-tone, so it will get a tuning control. So that will go on for 1 minute, and you will switch on that set. Okay. After that, so what is the things? What is the idea is? At this time, before you send your Mayday message, okay, you have to सबको जगाने का ना, you have to wake up them. So how to wake up them? By sending this 2182 kilohertz alarm. Okay, समझा? So once we send that, then all ships now will switch on their 2182 kilo receiver. Okay, and this one will automatically come on. Okay. That time you can a broadcast, especially fishing vessels and all. Okay. Now every ship they keep silent on between 0 and 3 and 30 and 33. What is the idea? Supposing a small ship having a small output power. Okay, yeah, this is best time for him to, so Shanti hai na, best time for him to broadcast that message. Okay. Coast stations are also for gale warnings and all. Gale warnings or weather reports. At the end of the first silence period, they will transmit the gale warning. Okay, so they will wait for the silence period to get over, and then they will start broadcasting the. Okay, got that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There part here. Okay, for scan. Now in our what's the time now? I have to think. Okay, now here see scan and edit. Now write down now. Scan and edit. Okay. There are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 6 channels. Okay, and you can put only DSC frequencies. Okay, so you say scan edit. Okay, so somebody now I want. Okay, you can go here. Okay, you can put a frequency, only DSC frequencies 841. Okay, if I want to put say 1, 2, what is it? Say okay, it is already programmed. Okay, so one sec here. What is happening? This. Okay, so now see here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So all DSC frequencies are here on this. Okay, you cannot put other frequencies. You can put only your DSC distress frequencies. Okay, whatever. DSC. 2151 also for routine. Okay. So now suppose here you scan edit. Okay, now there are, see here, we'll start with 0. Okay, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that means there are 10, 0 to 10. Okay, so 0 to 9, this is what RM 2151. Okay, so there are, in the scan program, okay, 0 to 9, that means total 10. Okay, there are 10 channels. Okay, and 10 programs.
program.
Okay, and in each program
6.
there are 6, say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, starts again 0. So that means in channel numbers 0 to 5, total 6. That means
60.
total 60 what is that, channels are there. You can put 60 channels. Actually can be programmed for 128. Okay, so now the examiner will ask you channel number, say 5. Okay, and channel number, program number 5, channel number 3. Okay, put this frequency. Okay, can put only DSC frequency. You can put routine also. So what is the routine frequency for in DSC for routine?
For in MF,
For HF?
for HF,
Okay, tell MF. I told you in routine MF for HF frequency 0.5 above the distress frequency.
This frequency, yes, sir.
So अभी याद आते हैं. Why it can't come quickly answer?
4-1.
Huh? Answer should be fast. Okay, now I want to see now. In number 3, what was the frequency? Yes. Okay, so you know again now one more time. Suppose in channel number, program number 3. Okay, and channel number 2. Again, now put a frequency. Okay, put a MF routine frequency. What is the frequency? 2188. किधर है 2188? कहाँ से आया?
2175. 2175.
2175.
2175.
2174.5 होगा ना सर?
Huh? Sorry, what is the routine frequency in DSC? This is for DSC I'm talking about.
2177.
2177.
2177, yes. But supposing you are from here you are calling a coast station, what frequency you use? Okay, you want to listen to that station.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you want to listen to that station. 2177. No. Okay. But actually, you would use a channel, no? Okay. So come back. Okay, 2177. Okay. Supposing I want to now put a listening frequency. Okay. What is the go to the list of kilowatts. So go back and check. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. So understood this part? Chalo, go.